So on to proof, how do we prove on to? Let's suppose same thing that we have the same function f of x is equal to 2x plus 5. Now generally what is on to? If range is equal to domain, matlab when there is a, in the second function there is no image, no element left out, that is 1, 2 and 3, 4. Every element in the second one is mapped, then we call it, means from codomain if you take any element that is y, for that there is some image, pre-image in first one. So for 2x plus f of x is equal to 2x plus 5. Now what is the procedure is 2x plus 5 we equate to y, and y find the value of x. X automatically is 2x is equal to y minus 5. X is equal to y minus 5 by 2. So what we say, x is equal to y minus 5 by 2. Now this x is f of x is equal to y, that is x is equal to f inverse of y, that's we will learn later. Now in place of x, so for every element x in codomain there exists y minus 5 by 2 in domain, meaning codomain से कुछ भी एलिमेंट लेंगे y, if you write the formula 2y minus 5, sorry, what is that formula? What is the formula we got? Y minus 5 by 2. If you write y minus 5 by 2, you will get what is its pre-element. So we can say f of, let us substitute this, f of y minus 5 by 2, what will come? What is the formula? 2y plus 5 is equal to 2 into y के जगह पे क्या है अभी? Y minus 5 by 2 plus 5. So 2 cancel, negative 5 plus 5 cancel, you got y. So for every element y in codomain, there exists y minus 5 by 2 in domain. So this is onto function. So this is the step. Once let us see. First whatever is given, f of x is equal to y, we find out, and we will find out the value of x something will come. So this x something value we will again substitute in the same function, and automatically there will come y. So whatever here the value is coming, we will write for every y, for all y belongs to codomain. Codomain whatever is the function given, it may be r, it may be anything. For all y belongs to codomain, there exists alpha, that is whatever is the x value in domain, that is belongs to domain whatever is the function. Therefore it is on to, we will write this way. So this is how we prove on to. Now which functions are not on to? Again here also our enemies are the powers with squares. What happens? So x square becomes y, x is equal to root y. Again we get the concept of plus or minus root 5. Now what happens if you substitute y? Okay, so what happens? You get y now. So what is the catch here is, you might be thinking, since x is equal to root y and root y you are substituting here and you are getting y, so for all y belongs to codomain, take a root y has pre-image y in domain. You might be thinking like that, but is root y defined for all values? No, root y is not defined for all values. Root y is not defined when y is negative. If y is negative, we don't know the value of course these are imaginary numbers, that doesn't belongs to real number. So therefore we can say for all, if your codomain in the question has entire real numbers, that is it has negative numbers, then we cannot find out negative root value. So it automatically becomes into function, not onto, because if y is negative we cannot find. So simply here you can write a counter example also. F of x is equal to x square, therefore x square is equal to y, x is equal to root y. Therefore minus 1 is in codomain, but it does not have what? It doesn't have pre-image. Therefore it is not onto. This way also you can write. So this is how we prove onto function.